Hello everybody, my name is Preston, and my project was the ultrasonic theremin. So over this past week, I've worked on designing and 3D printing out this theremin case. The holes on each side are specifically designed for one of the components. Like this one is for the speaker, so it can project sound outwards, and then these two are for the ultrasonic sensors. As well as this, I worked on rewiring my project back to how the wiring guide showed it, how it was originally supposed to be. And however, I had several issues and challenges over this past week. One of them was about my 3D printer, in which it would not work for 2 straight days while I was finishing up designing the case. The second one was that I actually had to print out a second version of the case. The one I just showed you is the second version, and I don't have the first version on hand. However, the first version was a lot smaller, and the holes weren't lined up properly, as well as them being an improper size. So none of the components would fit inside, and none of the things like the ultrasonic sensors or the speaker would fit inside properly. As well as this, I also discovered that my ultrasonic sensor, this one that I used for the volume, had a short inside it, and that whenever it was connected inside the circuit, it would make everything else just not work at all. And when it was actually connected into the circuit, like if I used it where this ultrasonic sensor is, which this is one's for pitch, this one would start heating up the Arduino and make it completely unusable. So, I plan to finish rewiring everything once I receive the replacement ultrasonic sensor. However, the wiring for the volume still won't work with an ultrasonic sensor. Last time I used a physical potentiometer, and I said that I wanted to change it so it would work with the ultrasonic sensor. So I need to find out what's the issue with the wiring, that the volume just won't work at all.